Patients are smart. Patients have done their research, and that's important for us nurses to realize. Now with the internet, most patients are very savvy in what's out there and what's available. So when they come to you, they kind of have an idea already. But that's important to research what they know and what they think they know, so we can clarify any misconceptions, any concerns about clinical trials, and why it is. It's interesting because we even had a patient describe themselves once as a lab rat, and we asked them why. And in their mind, it was actually a good thing. So understanding a patient's viewpoints about what a clinical trial is so important in order for a nurse to understand whether it's a good thought or a bad thought. Because in our opinion, a lab rat is not a good thing. But the patient actually was like, I'm helping. That's a good thing, and that was their way of looking at it. So nurses need to look at what the patient's actual attitude is and why it is that. Did they know somebody who was on a clinical trial? And did they have an adverse response or adverse experience? And if that was, why was that? In order to actually understand what their concern is about clinical trials. It's important for patients to understand that a lot of the clinical trials out there are not placebo-based. It's comparing standard of care to things that are maybe going to make the drug better. But either way, you're getting something to help you, but we may be able to give benefit more by giving you something else. And that's the most important thing that we need to explain to patients. We're not taking away care. We're not giving them water or saline. We are actually giving them what is standard. And sometimes standard is observation. And so if that's the case, they are still receiving standard care.